How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a curve around object in ZBrush. So first things first, I'm going to import an object right here, basically with flat surfaces. And then, of course, you then want to head over to the next part. Now that we're here, click on the stroke option, navigate through the curve function, and then just select the curve mesh. From there, click on your brush, select the curve option. So let's just go ahead and look for the curve tube, which is going to be this one. And then you want to select the outer layer, or the outer part. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And then there you have it. You have successfully put a curve around an object in ZBrush. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.